Hello guys, welcome to another video of Adama Robotics. In this video we're going to show you what exactly comes in the box for the Bell Robot Kit. So imagine you have ordered the Bell Robot Kit if you haven't already, and then when you open the box we will see the manual. So this is the manual, so we can have a quick look at the manual before we proceed any further. So the manual is basically, as you can see here, let me just quickly open it up. So this is the manual that we have. It's in an A3 size paper, so it tells you the user manual, and then it provides you with what exactly each of the parts in the bell are, and it gives you some links here. Okay, you can come to our website, to the website of our software, and then our App Store and Play Store, and here for getting the instruction. And on the right side you can see how you can assemble the bell using, you know, these mounts, and then the upper part and lower part, and then your sensors. And on the right we described a bit about the Adama script software, the drag and drop programming, which is a new way of learning to program. Okay, it's quite easy and simple, and this is what is inside the box. So we're going to show you all these 8 parts. Okay, so stay tuned for that, and there are some safety instructions. And on the back there's an amazing thing on this side, is we have created a line for you. Okay, so you can make your robot follow these lines as well. So we've already seen the manual. Now let's check out what's inside. So we've already told you that we've got like 8 parts inside. So we have our upper mount, we have our lower mount, we have the screwdrivers and other mounts, we have the flat cable and the lithium-ion battery, we have the USB cable, and we have a remote control and the ultrasonic sensor, and we also have a screwdriver. I personally like the screwdriver, right? So now this is what comes in the box. Stay tuned for the assembly. Thank you for watching, guys.